Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anvisha Classes. Today we are going to learn 10 simple and easy lines on national flag. First line, our national flag is a tricolor. Second, saffron is at the top. Third line, white is at the middle. Fourth line, green is at the bottom. Fifth line, the saffron color stands for the bravery. Sixth, the white color stands for the peace. Seventh, the green color stands for prosperity. Eighth line, there is a blue well called Ashok Chakra in the center. Ninth, it stands for the progress. 10th, we love our national flag. Please subscribe our channel Anvisha Classes. Thank you.